flower shape is drawn here. Then let's do something else. Okay, I'm going to use the wire and let's do handmade. We finished the claim. If someone you want to claim something, you can tell me what you want. Then I will going to make something handmade. Some ring here. Little pop， 那个棒棒糖帮我拿一下，谢谢。Okay, I show you. DIY4U.com. Okay, here. 我还欠你一个那个谁的一个礼物哈。等一下下播了之后做一个 charm necklace。棒棒糖。Santa Blue, what's your ring size? Yeah, I will make the gift for you, and at the same time, I will prepare a ring for you. Yeah, for your large order. Your size 9, okay. Here. 棒棒糖哎，不是吊坠，是那个定位。I just lost weight, so many, maybe smaller. Okay. Here. Just try. The price for this is stainless. Here now is use the copper wire make the jewelry. It's not stainless steel. Copper wire, but it's non-tarnish. Okay. Here, I was thinking, what's the shape to make? Test is try. I forgot. Can you shower or swimming with the wire jewelry? Yes, you can. No problem. Yeah. Okay, it's handmade time. It's a freestyle. I don't know what I'm going to make, but just try a flower ring. It's like a relaxed time. Yeah, it's just like a relaxed time here. Thank you. And I'm going to hammer it. Hammer. In a picture of pendant with the flowers tried to make. Okay, let me have a look at your email. Okay. It's a shape. I love the hammer look. Yeah. After hammer, it's not going to be out of shape. Okay. And I'm going to tie it. There's no need. Use the wire 0.3 to wave. Front, back, and the side. Yeah. So total is 3 wire. That's a good idea. And I'm going to tie it. Here is use the wire wrapper. Wrapper here, so it's not going to be out of shape. Okay, here. I think I'm not going. At the beginning I was planning to put with the beads, but I feel if I rub the beads, the side will be make this not nice. So I'm not going to rub the beads. I just love the look like this here. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, lock. Give. Size 9, size 8. Okay, it can be adjusted the sides. I am so much enjoy to make this. Make me so much relaxed. Okay. It's a size between 8 and 9, and you can wear it if you want to make it to 8, or if you want to make it to 9. Yes, and I love this way, the nice look. Yeah, here the look is like a steering silver ring. Okay. There's after hammer, the outside, the skin of the protector, the copper wire protector seems to be hammer. Yeah, I'm going to use this to brush. After hammer, maybe it will be turn black, but you can see if maybe the black effect not bad. It's like a older look. Yeah, it may come out older look with the black here. It's 1.2. It's 1.2. So it's not going to be out of shape. Yeah. After I hammer it, it's strong. The flower shape is strong here. Okay. Mine is also the... Okay. Here. Well, this here. This way. What are you using the brush for? Oh, here the after hammer, it's you will find some. You see, a little bit the skin was be hammered out. Yeah, the skin of the copper wire like a protector. Skin on the top is come out. Then I use this brush to take it away. Here. Okay, so done. Finish. Y is 1.2 millimeter. 1.2 millimeter for this Y. Okay, so Sienna Blue, except this ring, I will make something else. Yeah, make something else for you. Okay, cute ring. I just love it. Yeah. Only one piece all over the world.